If you've been looking for a super simple side hustle that's beginner friendly, this one's absolutely going to blow your mind. Best part is it's completely free. You don't have to spend a dime on anything. And I'm going to show you exactly how step by step. Because what I'm going to do is show you how regular people use Walmart's affiliate program to earn extra money online, possibly even enough to pay all your bills every single month, without having to create a product, without holding inventory, without talking to customers all day long, and without shipping anything. And then what I'm going to do is something a little different. And this is the part that most people skip. And this is how you can pick one niche, like camping, and turn it into a simple content strategy that you can just repeat. And if you're new here, my name is Kim, 54 years old, mom of 5, grandma to 1. Got laid off twice in the last 10 years alone. So I was out looking for side hustles because my retirement was not what I wanted it to be. And no matter what your age, you can do this. But if you are over 50 and thinking, I need something realistic, you're actually who I make these videos for. So in case you don't know what affiliate marketing is, let me just explain it super simple. Affiliate marketing simply is you're promoting other people's products. When people buy, you receive a commission. So again, no shipping, no inventory, no dealing with customer service, none of that. And like I said, the best part is you can do this. It's not going to cost you anything to do. So what you want to do is go to walmart.com. You want to scroll to the bottom of their website and you're going to see a link that says affiliates. Click on that link and then you'll end up on the affiliates.walmart.com website. This is where you will sign up to become an affiliate. All you're doing is recommending products, and I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to do that in a minute and show you actually example social media sites that are currently doing it right now. And you can model these people to, again, make enough to cover your bills, maybe even more. So become a Walmart affiliate, earn commission by connecting your audience to products they love. What's included in the membership, you'll receive weekly newsletter with banners, links, information about great products they feature on your site. You'll also receive access to the affiliate marketing or affiliate member center where you can get more banners, generate links, data feeds, etc., etc. So then what you want to do is obviously click sign up. But what you will also want to do is as you're going through this process, you want to take a look at the other information just to make sure that you are familiar with it. So it's a free membership. Great commission structure, so that pays 1 to 4% commission. So someone buys a $100 product, you're going to earn anywhere from $1 to $4. And I guess it looks like they have 3 days to return the items. They give you professional banners and newsletters. And then we'll click on this frequently asked questions. And again, it goes into more detail. Does it cost anything to become a Walmart.com affiliate? No, it is absolutely free to join. Once you are approved, you can get started right away. How are commissions paid? Commissions are paid monthly net sales and do not include returns, sales tax, shipping, and handling. So what is especially important, I'll get into this in a second, is you want to agree and read through the terms because they have their own special rules and all companies are different. So what I'm going to show you is how you can do this using social media, obviously, because social media is free. So they do have a little blurb, how to post on social media and all that stuff. So you really want to make sure you understand their terms and conditions, because the last thing I would want you to do is spend the time to get everything all set up and then you maybe do something that's not in their terms and then they shut you down, because you definitely don't want that to happen. So you could do this a couple different ways. And again, I'll show you examples in a second, but you can create social media accounts that you either promote a variety of Walmart products, or you can kind of niche down and have a specific category that you focus on. Now, what's cool is if you do decide to focus down on a specific niche like camping, you can not only be an affiliate of Walmart, but you can also be an affiliate of maybe Dick's Sporting Goods. And you can promote camping products from both Walmart and Dick's and Cabela's and any other store that you can think of that would make sense. Or you can just focus on Walmart products. So I just picked camping gear, right? If you decided to niche down, there's so much products with camping that you can sell. There's tents and coolers and sleeping bags, camp stoves, lantern, hiking boots, right? Portable power banks, Walmart sells a ton of it. So you definitely have plenty to share. And then again, if you want even more, you can become an affiliate of something like Dick's Sporting Goods and be an affiliate for them too. So when you create your social media accounts, you could do it one of two ways. I found an Instagram account, and all she does is promote Walmart stuff. And she has 373,000 followers, so I would imagine that she's doing pretty good. So all she does is post Walmart clothing. And what she really does, which is pretty cool, so say people are checking out this jacket. So here she is showing the product, right? She's showing the product that's on her. And then she gives a little description. And then she writes comment shop for the links. So what that means is people are going to comment shop, which they are. So what she does, she sends them a link, or I should say sends them her affiliate link that's tracked to her. So again, when they make a purchase, she earns a commission. And this video was posted a day ago, and she already has 7 people that commented shop and requested the link. Okay, how about this? So when you hover over the picture, you could see how many hearts and comments. So this dress got 848 comments. So let's check it out. And this was posted 5 days ago. So look at all these people that commented shop for the links. So if all 800 people purchase, she would make a lot of money. So obviously this works on Instagram. It's proof right here. You can also do an account on Pinterest, and it looks like she is on Pinterest as well. And it looks like she specifically features on fashion, home decor, beauty products, and more. But what's really cool is she actually took it a step further, and she has a website that has all the products listed on it that people can go to. And we'll just check out this sweatshirt right here. Say someone goes to her website, and you can actually create a free website if you go to wordpress.com. They give you a free website, at least they used to back in the day. And so she takes it a step further and she creates this website. And what's cool is, say they wanted to buy this sweatshirt. Now, I want you to keep an eye on something. I want you to look right here in 1 second. So if I hover over this buy now button, if you look right here, see how it says, I don't know, hopefully you can see it at the corner. Nope, you can't see it because my face is in the way. Sorry, I don't know how to move my face. Anyway, when you hover, you can see a little part of it, but it pulls up a website in gray. And what that is, it's her unique affiliate link. So again, when people buy, she's going to get paid. Now, you can also do this on YouTube and simply just create a YouTube channel all about Walmart and Walmart finds and stuff like that. So this person here did a video, new Walmart home decor and furniture. So all she's doing is walking around the store and videotaping stuff, right? Now, one thing that she could have done was, instead of just creating the video, I noticed that she does not have an affiliate link in her channel. So maybe something that she could have done to make more money is put her affiliate link, or say she's showing this chair. She'll talk about this chair. What she should have done is gotten her affiliate link for that specific chair and put it in the description, and then directed people to go to her affiliate link. So then when people buy, she would earn a commission. So you can do this on any social media site, which I think is really cool. You just pick the social media site that you like the best, or you can get on multiple. So again, you can niche down and talk specifically about camping or beauty products or tools or fishing. And you could become an affiliate of multiple different stores, or you can simply pick a store that you love, like Walmart, Target, whatever, and just walk around the store, take videos of products, and feature them on your social media site. So Pinterest is basically a visual search engine. People go there already looking for ideas and things to buy. So Pinterest allows affiliate links, but you should disclose that it's an affiliate link in the description. So you simply choose a product like a tent, for example. You create a pin image about it, something like the best tent for camping. Write a short description, and then you simply add your affiliate link. And the key here is you want to post consistently. That's it. And over time, those pins can keep getting found. So what's awesome is you create a pin today, and 6 months from now, people can still find that pin and buy from you, which I think is pretty cool. Now, like I said, Pinterest obviously isn't your only option. TikTok is fast discovery. You do quick videos like 3 camping items that I buy again, or how to sleep comfortably in a tent. I don't know, things like that, right? And then you direct people to your link in bio or wherever you put your links. Now, Instagram is visual trust, so you can do reels, you can do carousels, like a beginner camping checklist. And again, you put your link in your bio. Now, YouTube is long-term search. You can make videos like best budget camping gear, camping checklists. And again, you put your affiliate link in the description. And like I said, you can choose one platform to start, or you can branch out and choose all of them. So you want to be a little bit selective, except obviously if you're selling clothes, right? But you want to pick products that actually solve a real problem. Some camping examples could be, I can't see at night. So that's a good lead in to sell lanterns. Or maybe I love camping, but I hate sleeping on the ground. So that would be a good lead in to sell sleeping pads. And then maybe there are complaints about cooking. So then you can sell camp stoves. So if your content solves a problem, people buy. Now, if you want to earn enough money to be able to pay your bills every single month, you must have a lot of volume in this, because if they're only paying 1% to 4%, right? And if you earn $1 to $4 for every $100 you sell, you're going to need mass volume. So the only downfall is that the affiliate commissions are small, but I love the fact that it's free. So it's a great place to start. And their commissions do vary depending on the category. So again, you can build an affiliate income, but it does take a lot of volume, more content, more clicks, and more time. And this is exactly why I teach another model that is similar, but instead of earning a small commission, you can earn 100% profit. And you use the same skills. You're going to be creating content. You're going to be creating an audience, and you're going to use simple systems. But the income per sale is bigger. And for people over 50, bigger profit per sale matters because you don't want to hustle nonstop and you don't want to have to work 5 to 8 hours a day, right? So if this video helped you and you're thinking, I like the idea of affiliate income, but I want a model that can pay me more per sale. For example, that $100 example from Walmart. So if you sell a $100 product for Walmart, you earn anywhere from $1 to $4. With what I'm doing, if you sell a $100 product, you make the full $100. And in fact, with Walmart, when you make a sale, you have to wait 30 days to get paid. With our program, you literally get paid the very next day. That money is directly deposited into your bank account the next day. So there's no sharing profits with anyone. That's why this is perfect for people over 50 that need to fund their retirement or afford to be able to retire one day. So if you want to learn the step-by-step process on exactly how to do that, I have a free blueprint below in the description. It walks you through the simple 2-hour workday and how people build an online income system with 100% profit. And again, there's no pressure, there's no hype here, just clarity so you can decide what makes sense for you. Now, maybe Walmart isn't your store. If you want me to feature another store and see if they have an affiliate program, let me know what store you want next in the comments below. And of course, if you want to learn about other side hustles, don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Oh, and watch this video that YouTube is popping up next.